Hey, welcome to MemberSpace. In this demo, I'm going to show you how adding our snippet of code lets you add a members-only paywall around any part of your website. So only paying members can get access to premium content like videos, courses, digital downloads, templates, newsletters, events, and so much more. First, organize your members-only content on your website. Because your content is hosted on your own website, you have full control over what you sell and how you sell it. Then you'll add a paywall around the members-only pages containing that premium content. So you'll add a product and you'll give it a name. And then to gate a page on your website, you'll just enter the URL of that page. And by the way, we have other demos that show you how to set up other products like a content library, an online course, or a newsletter. And then next, you'll set a price for that premium content. With MemberSpace, you have the flexibility to charge your customers however you'd like. So you could charge customers a recurring subscription payment. You could do just a one-time payment. You could do a multiple payment, which is kind of like a payment plan, or you could grant access to your premium content for free. When you choose a paid option for the first time, you'll need to connect Stripe, which is the payment processor. And if you don't have a Stripe account, you can create one for free. It's super easy. So once Stripe is connected, simply determine the payment details for your pricing plan. On your website, check that MemberSpace was successfully installed after adding our snippet of code by looking for this floating member button. It automatically appears once MemberSpace is added to your website, and it lets visitors sign up or log in to access your members-only content. If you're not ready to accept signups yet, or if you'd prefer to place sign up and login links elsewhere, you can easily disable the floating member button, and you can add custom signup links in your header or somewhere else on your website. So when we visit the members only page we locked in MemberSpace, you'll see that the paywall was successfully added, and visitors will be asked to either sign up or to log in. So let's create a quick account. MemberSpace makes it super easy to get new customers with Google Sign Up and one-click subscription payments through Apple Pay and Google Pay. And if someone abandons the sign-up process, we'll automatically remind them to finish signing up via emails and pop-ups on your website. Now that we've signed up, you can view the premium members-only content. And the member button becomes an easy way for members to navigate your premium content. To get the full customer experience, we recommend inviting yourself directly from the MemberSpace admin. Or you can sign up on your website like we did earlier. And once you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly, it's time to start accepting members. Here in the members view, you'll find a list of your members that you can filter and search through. And then in the dashboard, you'll see all sorts of metrics that can be easily tracked, including a breakdown of your revenue. As you continue to grow, you can gate or lock additional members-only pages and add additional pricing plans. You can also sell the same content across various pricing tiers, so there's no need to duplicate your premium content. So you can customize MemberSpace to fit your needs, including the MemberSpace elements your customers see on your website and the transactional emails we send on your behalf, like the welcome email for new members and then receipts for successful payments. At MemberSpace, we're here to support your success every step of the way with free resources like templates, step-by-step workshops, and more to help you launch and then grow your business. If you have any technical questions along the way, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Plus, we offer live support sessions where you can get real-time guidance and answers to your questions. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And again, welcome to MemberSpace. We look forward to celebrating your success.